Afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Monday, the 7th of November, 2011. Kind of a quiet day here in corn and wheat anyhow. Beans pulling back pretty good here today, testing some support down at $12, while the corn was fighting over $6.50 for the better part of the day. All this while crude oil was higher. The dollar trading both sides of unchanged today. Just a real up-in-the-air day as far as the macros were concerned. You know, what kind of influence were they having on the grains? Right now you got crude up $1.48 at 95.74. The dollar down about 5 points at 77.10.5. Grains closed up today, down 2.5 in the corn, 6.53 1/4. They managed to hold that 6.50 into the close. Soybeans at 12.01 3/4, down 19 1/4 after making lows at 11.98 today. Able to close up above that support down at 12.01, that 12 to 12.01 area. And then wheat up 2 at 6.38 3/4. We have a USDA report scheduled for Wednesday morning. Now, there was a rumor going around that they're trying to petition the USDA to hold off these numbers or reporting these numbers on Wednesday due to the MF Global issues with those accounts. Right now, just talk on the floor, but we'll see what happens. As of right now, the report is scheduled to come out Wednesday morning, 7:30 a.m. Central Time. If you have any questions or need to talk strategy going into the report, feel free to call us, and we'll be more than happy to share with you what we believe is going to happen next off of the numbers, some of the price forecasts that we have, and if we need to get any marketing done, we can go over that as well with you at that time. Over to the livestock, cattle pulling back a little bit today. Last week we heard bids for this week's list were at 125. Didn't hear any cash trade here today. The market pulled back, down 110 in the Dece cattle at 123.40. That was settlement in the pit. You got 123 area. We're going to be looking for real good support right there. If we take that out, we could lose a couple of bucks real quick in those in that cattle market. Feeders today following suit, down 62.5, 146.77.5. That is in the the January contract. And then hogs today pulling back pretty big after a Head and Shoulders top being confirmed late last week. That Head and Shoulders projects down to $83 to $82 on the charts. Right now we're at 85.52.5 at the close, down 132.5 on the day. So there you have it. That's a trade we saw here on Monday. Italy now taking the center stage in the Europe battle over there as to who's going to pull the economy back the fastest over there. Greece now has kind of been pushed off to the side, as Italy would be a much bigger deal. How are they going to save them? The quote this morning I heard was they're too big to fail and they're too big to rescue. So they're going to have their hands full over there on how to fix things in Italy. That's the new headline. So watch the dollar, watch the metals. You're going to see a lot of back and forth trade as there's a lot of indecision out there as to what we should be doing and or should not be doing with the commodity markets right now as far as direction is concerned. If you have questions or want to talk a little more in depth, feel free to give us a call here. 800-262-7538 is the main line, or you can visit us on the web, www.allendale-inc.com. Thanks for tuning in again this week. My name is Bob Dalton. I look forward to speaking with you again real soon.